Hello students, a very beautiful morning to each and every students of class 5. Students, how are you all? I think all are well. Okay students, so let's take out your GK workbook. There we have started the chapter 38 today, and up to chapter 37 of all the exercises are completed, and even these all the chapters were from 24 to 37 in your periodic test second exam. I hope you all have revised and learned that chapters, and from today onwards we will start this new chapter, and after that we have to be just ready for our annual exam. So all of you open your book and take out the page number 43 today. Page number 43 today. Okay, so let's start to see this chapter is about which thing? Agencies of the UN. Means before the chapter students we all have read about what? यूनाइटेड नेशंस. हम लोग यूनाइटेड नेशंस के बारे में रीड किया था ना चैप्टर 37 में, जो कि हमारा जिस चैप्टर में हम लोगों ने ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेजेस एंड हाउ मेनी सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल मेंबर्स आर देयर एंड वेयर द हेडक्वार्टर्स ऑफ यूएन, दिस ऑल द थिंग्स वी हैव रीड बिफोर द चैप्टर. ओके, about the United Nations, and in the chapter we are going to read about the agencies. ठीक है, जो एजेंसीज हैं यूएन की, यूनाइटेड नेशंस की, उसके बारे में हम यहाँ रीड करेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट टू सी स्टूडेंट्स. वी हैव सम सिंबल्स हियर. आइडेंटिफाई द फॉलोइंग सिंबल्स ऑफ द एजेंसीज ऑफ द यूएन and write the names of the agencies. Identify the following symbols. Students, as you can see, there are different types of symbols which are about the United Nations agencies. We have to just identify these and then we will write down the name of these agencies below to this, okay, spaces. So let's start to see. First picture is here. Okay, first is this, and now we have a picture, and in this picture we are getting the letters like I, L, O. Okay, so these are the letters here. So students, as well as it's a symbol there, and according to these symbols, after getting the letters in this symbol, we will make the complete name of this. So ILO is there, means the full form will be of this symbol, International Labour Organization. Okay, it is a part of United Nations agency, International Labour Organization. So students, wherever you will get this type of symbol, so just you have to understand about that it is the part of a United Nations agency, and that's about International Labour Organization. Okay, ILO short form is this. Clear hai? Okay, come on the next second. See there is a second symbol, and in this symbol we are also having the different letters. Letters are there F, A, O. Okay, and here you have flat pennies. So first of all, let's come to make the meaning of these letters. So first, F for food. A means and. Okay, food and. A is there for agriculture, and O same things, our same organization is there. So ये आपका होगा food and agriculture organization. Okay, it is also a part of United Nations agency. Food and agriculture organization. ये कौन सी organization है, कौन सी agency है? Food and agriculture organization. Clear? Come on the third one. Third देखिए students. Now the different symbol is this, and in this symbol there is no any letter symbol, so we have to just understand it is the agency of International Maritime Organization. International Maritime Organization. Okay, next one you have. Next देखिए, next see there 4 number. Okay, can you see the symbol? Okay, and it's about World Health Organization. आप लोगों ने जहाँ भी ऐसे सिंबल देखे होंगे, that is called World Health Organization. ये एजेंसी है यूनाइटेड नेशन की, and which is called World Health Organization. Clear है? चलिए नेक्स्ट पे आते हैं. Next see there 5-1. इट्स कॉल्ड इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी फंड। यहाँ देखिए वी आर हैविंग 2 सर्कल्स, ओके, एंड इट्स कॉल्ड इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी फंड। ठीक है, ये भी एक एजेंसी है यूनाइटेड नेशन की। क्लियर? ओके, एंड द नेक्स्ट वन, इन नेक्स्ट सिंबल we can see there's a what mother and she has a child there. So it is the agency about United Nations means UN Children's Fund। ये जो सिंबल है दैट्स अबाउट यूनाइटेड नेशंस चिल्ड्रंस फंड। चिल्ड्रंस फंड का ये एजेंसी है फ्रॉम यूनाइटेड नेशंस। क्लियर? तो चलिए नेक्स्ट पे चलते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज दैट नेक्स्ट सिंबल विच यू कैन सी हियर, वर्ल्ड मेट्रोलॉजिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। ये जो है ये मेट्रोलॉजिकल से रिलेटेड है। ओके, वर्ल्ड इज दिस एंड मेट्रो स्पेलिंग यू कैन सी, ई इज लेफ्ट देयर सो आई हैव रिटन अबव meteorological organization। And the next one means 8th one is this, see there it is the also different symbol from each and it's called International Civil Aviation Organization। ये जो है ये भी एक एजेंसी है ऑफ UN and it works with International Civil Aviation Organization। okay, and the last one, last symbol you have about which is called, you can see the structure of this like and it's called as a symbol of International Atomic Energy Agency। कौन सी एजेंसी है ये? कौन सी एजेंसी है? इंटरनेशनल एटॉमिक एनर्जी एजेंसी। Okay students, so these are your different symbols of the agencies of UN। So let me tell you at once first ILO means the full form of this International Labour Organization. Second, FAO means full form is that Food and Agriculture Organization. And third one you have it's about the International Maritime Organization. Next symbol is about the World Health Organization. And next one, International Monetary Fund. It's about the International Monetary Fund. Next is this United Nations Children's Fund. Okay, United Nations Children's Fund. Next, World Meteorological Organization is this, and the next one is about the related with the civil aviation, International Civil Aviation Organization. Next and last one is this about International Atomic Energy and Agency. Okay, so these are the United Nations agency with their symbols and names. Hope students you all have understood this exercise today. Okay, so what's your work? You will have to fill it clearly and also revise it and try to understand it at home. Clear है? इसके पहले का जो चैप्टर था उसमें हम लोगों ने क्या रीड किया था? यूनाइटेड नेशंस था। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू वर रीडिंग अबाउट द ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेजेस ऑफ यूनाइटेड नेशंस एंड इवन देयर वर सम क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम दैट चैप्टर आल्सो। एंड हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ लैंग्वेजेस आर देयर? देयर वर what 6 type of languages was Chinese was there, Russian, English, French and Spanish, Arabic। ठीक है, एंड यूएन जो है यूनाइटेड नेशन फॉर्मली वो फॉर्मली जो है वो एग्जिस्टेंट कब हुआ था? 24 अक्टूबर 1945। ठीक है, और यूएन जो है वो स्टार्टेड हुआ था विद हाउ मेनी मेंबर्स? ओनली 50 मेंबर्स एंड नाउ इट हैज़ बिकम 193 मेंबर्स नेशन। And the principal of organs were the United Nations principal organs are the General Assembly, Secretariat and the Security Council. Okay, so these are your principal organs of the UN. And how many members can send delegates to General Assembly? How many? Yes, total 5. Hope you all have learned. And the main objective of the UN is about world peace. ठीक है ना, वर्ल्ड का पीस। एंड टोटल सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल जो है वो मेंबर्स हैं 15 होते हैं। एंड हेड क्वार्टर ऑफ यूएन इज कॉल्ड न्यूयॉर्क। एंड हाउ मेनी मीन्स परमानेंट मेंबर्स ऑफ सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल आर अबाउट यूनाइटेड किंगडम, फ्रांस, USA, रसिया एंड चाइना। And who was the first woman judge of International Court of Justice? Is called Rosalyn Higgins. ठीक है, तो ये सारे आपके एक्सरसाइजेस थे रिलेटेड टू दिस चैप्टर. ओके, सो रिवाइज इट स्टूडेंट्स, रिवाइज इट, लर्न इट and understand it much better at home. Now thank you. Have a good day.